Welcome to Chatuchak Park, right here in Bangkok, Thailand. Just opposite it is Queen City Kid Park. Very beautiful park. Right here I'm at Chatuchak Park next to the Chatuchak Market and also next to the BTS and metro. So this is how beautiful the park is. Very refreshing, very cool, great fresh air. And over here we have a bridge. I think we're going to be crossing that soon. And look at how green the grass is. Very nice grass. You could come here, sit, meditate, read a book, reconnect with nature, and also relax. If you haven't been to the parks in Bangkok, you need to. They are beautiful. I don't have to say much. You can see for yourselves how beautiful they are. So you have a couple of walkways, and in this park I think no cycling is allowed, so probably jogging. Yeah, jogging is. This is one of the bridges you could walk across. We have another one over there. I hope you can see that. And from here you could see some constructions going on. This is another high-rise building, probably an office or hotel, I don't know, probably apartment. But the next one looks like an apartment because I see some clothes hung out at the balcony. This is great for the city. This is just great for the city. And if you want to go to the market from here, I think Jot Fairs is about a few minutes from here. But right here you have Chatuchak Market, which should be open right now. But at the moment I am at Chatuchak Park. Well, let's find a seat and sit down a bit so you could enjoy some of the fresh air right here. You can see some squirrels running around. Beautiful. Chatuchak Park can be easily accessed through both road and rail transport. If you're using rail transport, you could use the BTS, which is the green line or Sukhumvit line, or you could take the metro, which is the blue line. All these lead you to Chatuchak Park and Chatuchak Market. And for the BTS, you can pay using either cash to get a transit card, or you could buy a multiple use transit card. I think it's called Rabbit. So you've got two options. also seen some people recommend using your Visa card to tap at the entrance and exit. I haven't tried that before, but maybe you could give it a try. Alright, let's continue walking. And enjoy the park for a while. Over there, that looks like a floating garden. And look at the squirrels enjoy themselves. When you see this tells you how important the park is. At least some of the animals that make up the ecosystem can have a space to enjoy themselves and add life to the city. The entrance to these parks is free, so okay, we have some signage over here too. No smoking and no picking flowers. Olives. We've got a number of squirrels. If you haven't seen a squirrel before and you want to see one and you're in Bangkok, come to one of these parks, either Chatuchak Park or Phet Park. Now, what I love most about the other park is that I saw some geese. I hadn't seen them in a while. Look at this. If you've seen Ice Age, there's a squirrel who's always running for his nuts. He's one of them. This is a really huge park. I've been walking through and I think I'm getting worn out. I'll be ending the video shortly, but I hope you enjoyed this virtual tour of Chatuchak Park. I hope this inspires you to come check it out on your next visit to Bangkok. This is also a cool place to come hang out with your friends. You could do a picnic here or have a moment of exercise with your friends. I know when you've just arrived into Thailand or Bangkok in general, you don't know many places to go hang out, so you could add this to your list of places you want to go check out. So right now I'm looking for the exit. It should be up front. Look at this beauty, guys. Look at this beauty. So if you're heading somewhere, you could either use the metro, which is the MRT right here, MRT Chatuchak Park, or you could use the EDS. Alternatively, you could also use the taxi or the motorbikes. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be seeing you in my next video.